The video I promise you is about stalling issue, and I am pointing towards these carburetor. What's happening is every time I start it from a start, and as soon as I ride it, it takes about 2 to 4 minutes and it will stall out. And it's done that about 6 times. Put down in the comments what you guys think it is. You know what? I'll be back because these are a little tricky. I gotta get it from the back. I'm not trying to take out the fairings. I got so much things to take out. Alright, I'll be back. You know what? First things first, making sure we have fuel flow. I don't know why something's telling me that I should be checking for that first. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's pull this sucker out and see if we get fuel flow. Look at that. Alright? Starvation. This is not right. You seeing that? And I have a full tank of gas. Alright, let's try to figure out what is going on here. Let's see if I open up the gas cap, if that changes anything. Nope. Alright. So fuel's not coming down. Let's open this cap. And fuel is still trickling. It's not coming down. So I have a plug fuel somewhere here. I'm thinking I might even have just a kink fuel line. I don't want to pull too hard on that because if that comes loose underneath the tank, that won't be good. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go under. Let's come over this side and I'm gonna open up the battery and check the fuel line is not kinked. So many bikes to maintain. Yeah. Everything looks good underneath here. Definitely not kinked. And I have, free movement. Okay. Might be something with this because I have a vacuum actuated line, but it's never been hooked up. If you look underneath my carb here, it was never connected. You see this fuel line here? This is just open to the atmosphere, and normally vacuum will come through here. But for some reason, I'm still thinking that the petcock underneath the fuel tank here. You see that right there? That's where the fuel's coming out. And right above it here, where right there. See that rubber line here? Above my finger? That's where the vacuum actuated line should go. From that to the carb. And that will, as soon as I get suction, it will open up this vacuum actuated drain or petcock, whatever you want to call it. I have all this that I'm not using anymore. But let's try to get that petcock to work as intended. Get it to go out that way. Sometimes you don't have to. Oh, there's fuel. Put it on the wrong one. That's okay. Okay. Alright, I put it on the wrong one. Man, when I put the tank, I plugged it up. I got all fuel squaring out here on me. Alright. Maybe I plugged the bottom one. So the bottom is a vacuum. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. Okay. Alright, the bottom is not. I got coming out everywhere here. There is okay, alright. I got a lot of fuel. Okay. Oh. Alright. Got it. Whoa. A lot of gas. Someone. A lot of gas. Alright. I am out here. Okay. Alright, we stopped the fuel here. Okay. You guys see all of that fuel there. The drain here is not working the way it's supposed to be, and I think that's why they had it all plugged up. Fuse coming out from both bottom and top. So again, this is an intermittent problem. Intermittent problem always sucks. Sometimes fuse come out and sometimes fuse doesn't. Let me try to just think for a second. I'll be back. All right, basic. I had to call my friend just to double check, and it's very basic. Like, I understand it. It's flowing from the tank, so must be a kink or something on the line because it's just not flowing out. Let's get back to basic. Let's see. See? It's just dripping. Doing that, it should be flowing down. I wonder if this sucker here is bad. Let me see. There is fuel here. It looks like this might just be bad here. I might have a bad. Watch this. I'm going to disconnect this. I'm going to disconnect this, and I bet you I'm going to have fuel flow. Look at that. Basic. This thing is clogged. Son of a bitch. Oh, man. All right. I think I found my problem. Look at this. Who would think this would get clogged? But it's clogged. Yeah. All right. I'm going to plug that up. We're going to clean this thing. And this could lead to that intermittent where you're scratching your head and say, what the hell is going on? And I'm glad I just went to basic. Start from basic. Let's see what's underneath here. Ooh, crud. I can see it already. Crud, and I'll be back. Okay, it doesn't matter how often you do these kind of things, you should always safety first. I had a full tank of gas. I lost a lot. And that was due to, one was a petcock, you saw what happened, and then the other one was another bad petcock here. You know what? Don't buy China, or buy China quality one. I have two. That one vibrated loose. It was starting to leak. Tighten this up. So I'm gonna have to redo those or have a backup. So if I ever need it, I could just slip them on. You know, these things are part of wear and tear, so keep an eye on them, especially if you ride a two-stroke or any bike that shakes a lot like a thumper. So right now I got everything back on and there's no leak, no drips, dried. We're gonna put the carburetor back and I should have no more problem, man. That was my problem. So fuel delivery is what's been getting me stranded. And I didn't need to put this on because it was blocked up by a ball bearing. So when I'm done with this, I'll make sure I plug everything back in good. Actually, I should do that right now, so I won't forget. And at the bottom, it should get tight. All right. We're going to put this all back, and we should be good to rock and roll. That's how it should be.